How's it going? Today I want to talk to you about this smoke infuser for your drinks. Now what this device is it's going to actually burn wood chips into the skull, and then the smoke's going to go inside the drink and it's going to flavor your drink. So this butane lighter has a little hole at the bottom. It does not come with butane, so you have to get your own. You put it in, and once it's in the lighter, you let it sit for about 5 minutes so it can kind of calibrate inside the lighter. The lighter has a lock on it if you want continuous flame, or you can just press it for an initial burst of flame. After that, you're going to want to put your liquor or whatever you're drinking inside your glass. There are two screens that it comes with. Once you put one of the screens inside, you're going to fill it up with wood chips. There's 6 different types of wood chips in the package. You're going to put it, I didn't fill mine all the way up. I just did maybe like halfway. Once that's filled up, you're going to take your torch and you're going to light it inside the skull, and it's going to produce some smoke, and then it's going to go inside the drink. It has a little hole at the bottom where the smoke will go through. Once that's done, it does come with 6 ice cubes. They kind of look like rocks, and these ice cubes, you just put them in the freezer to chill them, and then you put them inside the drink. Now, if you want to make your own ice cubes, it does come with 2 of these. These are little plastic cups with like a silicone style cup. And what that is, it's going to make a perfectly round ice cube. So if you want to get really fancy, you can make your own circular ice cubes. The whiskey kind of had a little bit of a hint of woodsy taste to it. Great little party trick, a good gift for dads.